Hey, good morning. Now in this session, I will actually discuss on exact differentiation between the use of if condition in MATLAB as well as in Python. Let's go through the example. First of all, I type all those code and finally I will discuss on each of this. You can also view on screen, but although the logic behind the code is simple. First of all, I assign value 6 to variable x and checking whether it is less than 7, then execute the if statement, otherwise execute the else statement, and repeating same code in MATLAB as well as in Python. So actually this is false, hence it executes the else statement. You can clearly see in a screen. Now yeah, actually completed typing of if conditions in MATLAB or Python. Now here the output is same, but what's the differentiation? First difference, you do not need to add a colon at the end of if. Here you do not need, whereas it is necessary in Python. But you can use the printf in MATLAB, but I feel it's better to use a disp command. Disp, whereas the print is works same as. Now else there is also need of colon in Python. And one more important thing, indentation, that means the blank space. Here blank space in Python is necessary. If you don't type this, it will simply show trace book error. Okay, so also you need to add ind in MATLAB, whereas does not need to add ind in Python. That's the three difference. First is colon, second is indentation, and third is using an ind at the end of code. That's the all those three differentiation of using if condition in MATLAB as well as in Python. Now thank you for watching, and if you have any comment or suggestion or any type of query, so please comment in comment section, or if you want to saw the differentiation of other keyword, so please comment in comment section. Thank you for today.